What's going on, guys? Today I have another sneaker for you, and it is the Nike Air Jordan ADG 3s. The official colorway is white, fire tech, grey black, but they resemble the white cements. Shit paperwork. No one in their right mind is going to read all this. And you know what we do with these papers? We just chuck them away. I wish they would have added like some Jordan stickers instead of this. So here are the sneakers themselves, and as you can see, they resemble the Jordan 4s, the white cements to be more specific, with the heel tab as well, right there. The colorway is exactly the same as the Jordan 4 white cement. Quality wise, these are very nice. It's very high quality. As you can see, the leather is amazing, and the only thing I have on my mind right now is that I want to crease these so badly for some reason, because I think they're gonna get fucked, which I will try. Now on feet, these are surprisingly very comfortable. I mean, I've never tried golf shoes on before, but I'm guessing if I were to play golf, I'll play with these. Just due to the fact that these are very comfortable indeed, and the quality is just brilliant. The leather is, I mean, you can clearly see in the video the quality of the leather. And it's so smooth and so soft to the touch. It's unbelievable. Right, I'm going to show you guys the crease test now. I'm going to crease the fuck out of these sneakers. I thought because of the quality, because of the way the leather is, these would get fucked. But for some reason, they're holding up pretty well. I mean, you can clearly see in a minute. All the creases just disappear. Why can't they make Air Force Ones like this? Imagine a world where Air Force Ones didn't get creased. That's the world I want to live in. But yeah, I mean, that's it. That's it for today. That's it with these shoes. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys on the next one.